Hi all.
Hello,
Hello.
hello.
Hello, Krakow. Nice to meet you all. Here is TONANA team, TONANA Bridge. So this is our, I think, first hacker house, and we're happy to present our progress for that time. Our main thesis that different blockchains are not competitors, but projects and teams that should join and cooperate to make our joint blockchain market more bigger. And for that reason, we're building TONANA Bridge. What is TONANA Bridge? It's a blockchain connector for liquidity and protocols. Now we have connect TON blockchain, Solana blockchain, Cosmos, and NEAR. And there are other different blockchains that we are going to connect to our network. So next slide. Our project now is supported by TON Foundation and NEAR Foundation, and we invite Solana Foundation support that projects and experiments as well. So what is the problem we're trying to solve? So the base problem and fundamental problem in blockchain communications that liquidity and data can't move between blockchains by default. And this is the problem what we're trying to solve. And in general, this is the problem of trying to solve bridges. But a lot of bridges already hacked, and I think there are other ones upcoming, and there are two main problems that, first of all, existing bridges are almost centralized, and there are a lot of bugs in smart contracts. So our solution is classic. Why blockchains are secured? Because they are decentralized. So our way to build cross-chain connectors is building decentralized network of cross-chain validators that work together and operate with multiple multi-sign wallets on different blockchains. And one key point that we are putting all information about the cross-chain transactions directly on-chain. So in the future, we will have TONANA as a data bridge for different blockchains, and it will be a clear way to connect to different smart contracts and business logics on different blockchains. But for the first stage, we implement the wallet transfer. Can you please send next slide? And now we have a demo that provides users the possibilities to change or swap their wallet between different blockchains, between private wallets of users. And on the slide, you can see how Alice can send Bob just $100 from one wallet like Phantom to TON Keeper just through the TONANA bridge. So now we have built a demo web application and native Telegram bot application that you can see on this slide. A few words about business model. We are going to charge a classic service fee for swap. It's $3. And if there are users that are going to use our blockchain offer on daily basis to swap NFTs between different markets and transfer liquidity, so they can just push a subscription and use it with a zero service fee. So our roadmap, now we have implement cross-chain swap. The second stage is cross-chain bridging for any kind of assets, fungible and non-fungible tokens. The next stage is cross-chain data bus that will provide the possibilities to cross-chain contract communication. And at the end, we are going to launch our open source SDK, mainly for game developers and other decentralized application developers to build a new generation of cross-chain decentralized application. You can see here's our team. So here we are only, I think, in 3 people. Okay, next slide, please. Yeah, so thank you for your attention, and now we are going to see our demo. Thank you.
So I chose the Solana and Near to swap.
So here you can see a web app that provides possibilities to transfer your wallet between Solana network and Near network, between two wallets. And it's really work, and we are going to open our program for community liquidity providers and community node validators. So if you want to support the decentralization of TONANA bridge and liquidity as well, you can contact us and join the team.
So as you see, Solana just went, and let's see for Near.
So as you can see, there is a fresh incoming transaction from the Solana bridge wallet to the user wallet on the Near. And if we are going to swap to the Solana scan, we can see outcome transaction. It basically provide the value for Near transaction for Solana, from Solana. Yeah, so thank you for your attention. It's the finish of our demo and presentation. Thank you again, and happy to see you in Prague on the next Solana Hacker House. Thank you very much.
Thank you.